is brought to you by John Deere and your local John Deere dealer. Nothing runs like a Deere.
When it comes to used farm equipment, Machinery Pete won't steer you wrong. He joins us from his home office. Pete?
The values on good used skid steers have been going up here the past 2 years. But so far in 2014, they've gone up another notch. A couple recent examples for you. On a farm auction July 1st in northeast North Dakota, this 2006 New Holland L185 with 382 hours sold for $27,000. That's a new record high auction sale price. The previous high was also a 2006 model with only 60 hours that sold for $25,000 on a sale March 4th, 2008 in southeast Nebraska. Now this Bobcat 742B sold for $10,000 on a farm auction I covered June 26th in north central Iowa. And that was $1,100 over the previous record price. And I'll leave you with one more. This John Deere 240 with 1,117 hours sold for $14,300 on a farm auction December 14th in east central Pennsylvania. Now, given the strength in the livestock and dairy markets, I think skid steer values are going to remain high through the end of the year. I'm Machinery Pete. See you at the sale.
Thanks, Greg. Great info as always. You can stay up to date with the latest deals by following Pete on Twitter or liking him on Facebook. He's also featured every week on AgriTalk and AgWeb.com.
Here's video footage I shot at the June 26th auction in north central Iowa of the Bobcat 742B skid steer selling for $10,000.
Tell him to raise it up. Raise it up, Alex. That's good. Shut her down. We don't spin them around for fear we'll hit somebody. Thank you, Alex. Read the hour meter, Alex. Bring it out.
1434.
1,434 hours showing on the meter, boys. All right. Somebody give 7,500. I got 2,035. Now 4.
Excellent.
4. Now 45. Now 5. $5,000. 555. 52 and a half. 52 and a half. Now 5. 55. Get both buckets. 5,500. Now 57 and a half. 55. 57 and a half. 55, 7 and a half. Now $6,000. 62 and a half. That's 62 and a half. And a and a half. And 62 and a half. And a and a half. Now 5. $6,500. $500. 67 and a half. $7,000. 7, 7, 7, 7. Now 72 and a half. 72 and a half. And a and a half. And a 5. $7,500. $7,500. This is where we should have started. 77 and a half. That's 57 and a half. You want to 77 and a half. And $8,000. $8,000. At $8,000, at $8,000, clean sale, clean stuff, $8,000. Now 82 and a half. At 82 and a half, and a half, and now 5. $8,500, $500, 85. At 85, $500, $500, $500, $85, $100, 82 and a half, 85, 87, 50 is ours, 50. 87.50 at $9,000, 92 and a half. At 92 and a half, or 2 and a half, or 92 and a half, or 2 and a half, or 92 and a half, and now 5. At 95, 97 and a half. At 97.50, what about 97.50, 97.50, 97.50, 7.50, what about 97.50, what about 7.50, 7.59, 97.50, you want it? 97.50, get it all, 97.50, and I... Now $10,000, 10, 10, what about $10,000? 10, 10, 1, I'll go 1, 10, 1, $100 lift, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 10, 1, 1, 10, 1, and I, 10, 1, and I, sir, $10,000, thank you.
Don't forget to catch my new Machinery Pete Auction of the Week show on RFD TV every Tuesday, 5 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Central, and again on Saturday afternoon, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central.